In this video, I will show you if you want to take this footage, for example, and do something crazy with it. We're gonna see the traditional way of 3D and visual effect, and we're gonna compare that with the new way, the modern way, using AI and machine learning. And we're gonna see which one is better. We're gonna see the pros and cons, and we're gonna see a lot of things in this video. So let's begin. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back. In this channel, we are trying to do everything in simple yet clever way. And honestly, in these days, we have a tough days going on in our country, and we don't have any internet right now. It went off. Yeah. In matter of fact, for uploading this video, I had to travel to another country to connect with you guys, to have access to internet, honestly. So I'm not trying to mumbling here, but yeah, I'm trying to stay positive. So if you have free internet, you access your internet, have a little bit of appreciation, because this guy doesn't have any internet for now. So pray for us. So before I begin, let me thank these amazing people on our website supporting us and making everything so delightful. Thank you guys, I appreciate it honestly. So let's begin. If you want to take this footage, for example, I want to replace the green area, my hat. So in traditional way, you can track your object, for example my head, using key tools in Nuke. And you can have back and forth and fix the problem, and you can have something like that. Yeah, it's time consuming. We talk about that a lot in this playlist. And of course, you can take another step in 3D in your 3D package, for example Houdini, to do something like that. So long story short, you can have something like that in Nuke to composite that 3D work, and maybe you can have something like that. Yeah, you see, I love this one. So this is the traditional way, and if you're interested, we talk about that in this playlist. So now let's see the pros and cons of this approach. For example, the first pro is this one is so flexible. It can solve a many complex problem because you have a lot of flexibility and a lot of tools in your 3D package, for example, and the compositing package, for example Nuke. And the second one, it's so realistic because you are doing all the thing manually, from the texturing, modeling, and lighting, rendering, etc. But the first con is it's so time consuming, honestly. It's take a lot of time to tell a story, honestly, to take a result, for example. And it's required a more technical stuff. You need to know a lot of these tools and composing a 3D package. And yeah, the third one, it's everything done manually without any automation stuff, you can say. So this is the traditional way, and we talk about that a lot in this channel, and you can watch these playlists. So if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content for the algorithm. Yeah, they say we need that to make everything grow, so I will appreciate it honestly. And if you want, share it. That's make me so happy, honestly. So let's go to another approach, the machine learning AI approach. For example, I have this reference. You see, I said to him, learn from this and apply the same hairstyle using this mask. You see my hat. And turns out it's good, honestly. You see, without any head tracking, without any rendering, lighting, etc. You see, this is the first approach. And I try many different objects. You see, the hat and this thing, cyberpunk thing, and many, another hairstyle, you can say. And you see, this is very awesome. So what is required to achieve something like that? So we talk about that in ComfyUI using this course, of course. You see, for example, we have the reference and we have SAM2 for segmentation and creating our mask. You see, this is our mask creating by SAM2 segmentation, and this is very awesome. Just you need to define the point, positive point, and yeah, the rest will handling by the machine learning, honestly, without any rotoscoping. So this is very awesome. And then you can take your footage and have pose estimator. This is the skeleton for pose estimator. It's detecting my movement, you can say. And yeah, with lot of prompting and referencing, you can have something like that, honestly, you see. And of course, we talk about that a lot. And this is a 1.2.2 animation or animate. And you can have something like that. You see, this is the result you can have with this kind of setup, you see. And this is different approach, you can say, without any header tracking, without any 3D packaging, you see. So we looking to different world. For example, this one, the Pro is easy to use, honestly, and it's take less time to achieve a result, honestly. And cons, of course, it's currently not flexible to complex scenario, and yeah, it's not handling that currently, so maybe in the future it will getting better and better. And the second con is it's need a powerful resource. For example, it's need more powerful graphic card and memory and a good CPU, honestly, to get a better result. You see, we have two different worlds. This is the new one and that the traditional one. So which one is the better, honestly? Yeah, it's cliche, but I'm going to say it. It depends on your project. If you have simple project and you want faster result, yeah, go with machine learning and AI generative. And if you want more accurate result, complex situation, you need to go with a 3D traditional way for now. So that's your call, honestly. And if you want to start with machine learning and AI, generative AI, you can watch this video. So with that, I hope you're enjoying this one. See you in the next one, hopefully. Goodbye.